Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about exercise 17.3, which is the exercise of sphere. We already discussed about the formulas and how the formulas is forming. Today we are going to see some kind of maths. I'm starting from easy math. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 14. It is 1, 1. The given is radius is given 14 centimeters. Radius is about 14 centimeter and they want to know the surface area. What is the formula for surface area? What is the formula? 4 pi, sorry, just shaking a lot, 4 pi square. So it will be 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. So now we are calculating. So it will be 4 into 22 into 7 into 14. It will be how much? It is looking a big one. 4 pi r square. Radius is given now. Okay. It's a big number is coming actually. So we need to see. It is 2465. It is 2464. 2464 centimeters square. Simply the formula is 4 pi r square. So this 4 pi r into r. Simple one, I think. Just the calculation is big. Now we are moving to the next one. What is the saying? Find the volume of the sphere if the radius is given. You have to find out the volume of the sphere if the radius is given. Radius is given 0.63. It is 2, 1. Radius is given 0.63 centimeter. Okay. So volume, what is the formula for the volume? 4/3 pi r cube, 4/3 pi r cube. So 4/3 pi r cube. If we simply put it there in the formula, the values, then we can calculate it. Let's see. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 r cube means 0.63 is given. I'm going to convert it into decimal, fraction. 63 by 100 into 63 by 100 into 63 by 100. Converted it. Now simple calculations. It is 9, cutting by this 3, it is 3. No calculations. I can do it, the calculations, I can cut down this one. But I am keeping it to put it in the decimals. Okay. Sorry. So approximately, if I calculate it, I will get how much? Okay, let me cut down some more. It will be 25. Now we need to calculate it. How much I get? 6 into 3, 63 into 63 divided by 250000. So it's around, which is given in meter or centimeter? Which is given in meter. Sorry, the unit will be meter. So it will be, after calculation, it will be 1.047 meter cube. It is 1.047 meter cube. Or you can take it as approx, but I am not putting that one. It's your choice. So this is the thing. Radius is given. I just wrote the formula. I put the values in the formula of the radius and solve it. So there is nothing actually. As I told you, mensuration is easy. We just need to understand the formula and the concept. If anybody wants to copy, then you can copy. Okay. We are moving to the next one. That is, find the surface area. Find the surface of the square. Diameter is given. So there is one extra line. I am not doing that one. If the diameter is given, then first of all convert it into the radius and then start the math. I move to the next one. Listen very carefully. Find the diameter of the sphere whose surface area. It is also easy one. Okay, so still I am doing. Find the diameter of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeters square. Surface area is given 154 centimeters square. I have to find out the diameter. So it's a very simple one I am doing. First of all, what is given? Surface area. It is 154 centimeters square. And what I am going to find out? What I am going to find out? I am going to find out the diameter. So surface area is given like this. So surface area means 4 pi r square. 154. So r square is equal to 154 by 4 pi, or 154 by 4 into 22 7. Just pi means 22 by 7, so 7 will go upward. Now the calculation is left. I don't think any calculation can be done. It can be done. By 11 it is 2. It will be 140. So I'm doing it. Surface area is given now. Some kind of odd type of things coming up. Surface area 154 given. We can say it's 14. 11 into 14, this one. Okay. Then it is 7. So I am getting 49 by 4, or r equal to root over of 49 by 4, or 7 by 2 centimeter. So I got the radius 7 by 2 centimeter. Therefore, diameter equal to 7 by 2 into 2. As we know that if we multiply 2 with the radius, I will get the diameter. So it will be 7 centimeter. Very easy. I don't think it is so much hard to understand. Okay. Now we'll move to the next one. Let's see what we have. Find the volume of sphere whose surface area is 154. Okay, volume of the sphere. We have to find out the volume of the sphere, and the surface area is given. It is very much easy, I think. Okay, let's see if we have another math. Okay, I am going for question number 8. Listen very carefully. We are moving to the question number 8. The question number 8 says, the radius of a spherical balloon. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is pumped into it. As air is pumped into it, find the ratio of the surface areas of the balloon in two cases. We have to find out the ratio of the surface areas of the balloon in two cases. So how can we do? There are two ways to do this math. One is for the intelligent people and one is for the legends. So we are going for the legends directly. Before going to the legendary case, we need to write down the information. In first case, radius equal to 7 centimeter. In first case, before giving the air inside the balloon, the radius is 7 centimeter. And in the second case, the radius will be 14 centimeter. Okay. So as I told you that this math can be done in two ways. This math can be done in two ways. So I am going for the first type, that is intelligent people. Okay. So intelligent people do surface area or S dot A in first case. Surface area in first case equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Then we will calculate it. 88 into 7. So it will be 88 into 7. That is equal to 616. That is equal to 616 centimeters square. Surface area in second case, it will be 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. So it will be 2. So it will be 88 into 28. 88 into 28. That is 2464. That is equal to 2464 centimeters square. So now the ratio is, if I want to find out the ratio, first case is to second case, that is equal to 616 is to 2464 equal to 1 is to 4. The math is finished. It is 1 is to 4. Okay. Now it is done up to this one. Now what is the another way? If I want to do it another way, what should I do? Okay. So another way is a simple one. I will not do these two lines. I will not do these two lines. Okay. In place of that, I will write okay. Having a bad time, don't worry. Surface area, first case. You can change the statement. It is, I'm just comfortable with this statement. That is why I'm writing. You can write your own statement. Is do surface area, second case, and then I write the both the cases. 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. So after doing this one, 4 gone, 22 by 7 gone, it will be 2, it will be 2. So automatically I got 1 by 4 or 1 is to 4. See, it's your choice which type of math you will choose. I have done the same maths with reduced lines and reduced calculations. It's your choice totally. Now, we are going for a very interesting maths. The math is math number 11 in my book. A cube of side 4 centimeter. A cube of side 4 centimeter contains a sphere touching its sides. So inside the cube there is a sphere touching all the sides. Find the volume of the gap in between. What is the volume of the gap in between? So first of all, you can see from the maths that no information about the sphere is given. There is no information given, but actually it is wrong. Every information is given. If you draw the diagram, you can get the information. So I'm writing a cube. Obviously cube drawing is not possible. So I just drew one side of the cube. It is of 4 centimeter. All sides are having 4 centimeters. Now if I draw the cube inside, what are they saying? That the side of the cube, the circle is the sphere is touching all sides of the cube. So I drew the sphere here. I can see there are gaps. So actually we are going to find out the gap or the volume of the gaps. But before that, I need to know the volume of the cube and the volume of the sphere. As I told you, the volume of the sphere, to know the volume of the sphere, we know the formula 4/3 pi r cube. Now if you carefully look at the diagram, the diameter of the sphere is given to you. Okay. So first of all, I am doing side of the cube equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. Then volume of the cube, it will be 4 cube. So it will be 64 centimeter cube. Done. So I got the volume of the cube. Now diameter of the sphere, equal to 4 centimeter. Diameter of the sphere is equal to 4 centimeter. You can see that one side to other side, it is 4 centimeter. Okay. So radius of the sphere 4/2, that is 2 centimeter. 4/2, that is 2 centimeter. Now volume of the sphere, volume of the sphere 4/3 pi r cube centimeter cube. No reduced term is working, I think, isn't it? No reduced terms can be done. So it will be 88 into 8 divided by 21, 33.52. 33.52. So what is the volume of the gap? Therefore, volume of the gap equal to this volume minus this volume. It is 64 minus 33.52 centimeter cube. Okay. So it will be 64 minus 33.52, that is 30.48. That is equal to around 30.48 centimeter cube. It's a little bit of tricky maths, not a hard math. Okay, if you draw it properly, if you understand the concept from the drawing, it is not at all a hard math. But you need the concept, as I told you. The concept is very much important. Okay, look at the maths. And you can see that the calculations are also not so much big. It can be done within a 2 or 3 minutes. Now, I'm going for a very big math. Okay, it is a really big math. In my book, it is question number 16. I'm reading out the math. The surface area of a solid sphere is 1256 centimeter cube. I have a solid sphere. Okay, I have a solid sphere whose surface area is 1256 centimeter cube of solid sphere. 1256 centimeter square. Then this sphere is cutted into two hemispheres. Then the sphere is cutted into halves. One half and another half. It is cutted into two halves. Okay. Now the question goes, they are asking for the total surface area of the hemisphere, one hemisphere, not the other one, and the volume of the hemisphere. Total surface area of the hemisphere and the volume of the hemisphere. So before moving to the hemisphere calculations, first of all, what I need from this part, from the solid sphere, I need the radius. I want the radius of the sphere. Then only I can move to the hemisphere. So let's find out. Surface area equal to 1256. That is 4 pi r square equal to 1256. R equal to I'm just doing step jumps because we don't have so much space. I need to rub. 4 into 22, and it will be 1256 into 7. So I wrote 22 here. I don't think it is calculatable. 4 pi r square. This is possible. Let me cut it with the starting with the 2 first. 2, if I cut it to 6 to 8. 6 to 8. Then I'm cutting with 2 once again. It is 11. 1256. Is it given the same number? These decimals are coming. 4 pi r square 1256. So okay, let's check so that we can understand. 1256 into 7 divided by 88. It is not coming actually. It is coming in decimals. Okay, so let's not do the step jump. Do it simply. It is coming in decimals. So r square equal to 1256 by 4 pi. That is equal to 1256 into 7 by 4 into 22. Or if we cut it down a little bit, I'm not doing the lots of calculations, then it will be 11 and it will be 6 to 8. Again cut it with 4, So I got cut with 4, so 1, 3 and 2, 132. It is going with it 132 and 12, I think. It is coming with the 12. 110, okay, 12. So simply the calculus is not ending. R square equal to 12 into 7. That is coming out. So just keep it like this. We will think about it later. Now, the sphere is cut into two halves. I have a hemisphere. As they are asking for only one hemisphere, so I rubbed another one. First of all, they want to know the total surface area of a hemisphere. So what is the formula of that? TSA, total surface area of a hemisphere. What is the total surface area of a hemisphere? What is the value of it? Can anybody tell me? It's a big value actually. Total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. That is why I never changed this one. I didn't do the square root. I keep it as set to set. So just put the value 3 into 22 by 7 into 12 into 7. So 7 gone. I'm getting 66 into 12. I'm getting how much? 66 into 12. 66 into 12, that is 792 centimeters square. 792 centimeters square. It is the total surface area of hemisphere, which is 3 pi r square. Now, volume of hemisphere. What is the volume of hemisphere? I think it is 2/3 pi r cube. How much? 2/3 pi r cube. Isn't it? Now the problem arises here. Now my problem arises here because 2/3 is fine. Pi is fine. R cube means r square into r. R cube means r square into r. But I don't have the value of r. I have the value of r cube, sorry, r square, but I don't have the value of r. So it will be a critical calculation, very much critical. 22 by 7 into 12 into 7 into root over of 12 into 7. This is coming here. And this time, in this case calculation, the decimal will arrive maybe. Okay. And unfortunately, in the question number 16, what I am doing actually, they used pi is equal to 3.14. They have used pi is equal to 3.14. That is why the calculation is possible by them. But we didn't use that one. We never use that one. That is why we are facing the problem. Okay. So if we do it properly with the decimals, what we will get? We will get approximately the answer 2093. After calculating this one, I will get 2093.33 centimeter cube approximately. Okay. So just I have used the formula. Okay. And after using the formula, applying the formula, we can solve this one. So you must need to know the formula properly. As I told you in the previous video, that you have to remember the concept how the formulas are forming. In the previous video, I already showed you how the formulas are forming. Okay. So I think you can do the maths of this exercise. Understand everyone? So see you next time. Just follow these instructions and complete this exercise. In next class, we will go for further one. Thank you, everyone.